Well, when the Palisades and Eaton fires broke out 2 weeks ago today, dozens of CBS journalists from around the country raced to LA to help us bring you around-the-clock coverage. CBS Chicago photographer Alfredo was one of those volunteers working the fire lines for a week. He returned home and sent us a story with scenes of everything he experienced. And here is his look at the fires you'll never forget.
So this is no longer just a fire burning in one location. It is an event burning in multiple locations.
It was a very windy night.
You guys, Temesco Canyon is on fire and we are burning on both sides.
Transformers exploding, houses exploding.
The LAFD and CAL FIRE are deploying resources to protect neighborhoods across Southern California.
We just want to get into our homes, and we understand how they're trying to protect our homes, but we want to get into our homes also.
And there is nothing but rows and rows of homes that have been wiped out. In every direction, the neighborhood is gone. There is absolutely nothing left of this community of Pacific Palisades, very likely destroyed.
The Palisades fire, which is still the largest wildfire currently here in LA, has already burned over 23,000 acres. As you can see here, complete devastation. We are seeing cars, homes completely wiped out. We are in hard-hit Altadena, where smoke is still in the air.
I wish the best for everybody who did lose their homes, who lost loved ones, and
CBS Chicago video journalist Alfredo, thank you for all of your help, and thank you for your story.